Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo. I am back in the Dollar Tree and they put out some new things for Halloween, so you know what that means. Let's go shopping. So I know this is a Halloween decor shop with me, but you guys, Christmas is out. At least the craft items have hit the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to walk you through those really quick and then we'll look at all the Halloween goodies. So these are new this year. They are pressboard signs for DIYs in the Mary with the antlers, Peace in the Tree. They also have some wooden cutouts, perfect for DIYs, Merry and Bright. They have a star. You guys, they have a truck. Oh, it's so cute. It also comes in a snowman. It also comes in Santa, but you guys, it comes in a gingerbread. It is so stinking cute. Down here, they also have the wood cutouts of a Christmas tree and an ornament. But can we just talk about how cute this is? Oh, gotta bring home at least one. Something else that has to come home with me are the mini bottle brush trees. You get 8. The little wooden 5-count cutouts are out in a snowflake tree. Comes in a stocking, a bell, a truck, tree, Mary, another snowflake, and an ornament. There are all kinds of filler for your DIY ornaments, some felt stickers I'll show you here in a second, and some new picks this year. So they do have little foam candy canes, trees. This one's the Santa, comes in the 2 candy canes and the snowman. So the felt stickers look like they come in some red and green ornaments, some snowflakes, and some Santas. They also have their decor metal pieces for Christmas that come in Peace, Joy, and Believe. They have some felt DIY items over here, all of their pom-poms, bells, faux snow, and then this is new this year. It's a 20-piece foam scatter. They have all the tinsel pipe cleaners and then the mesh tubing. I've gotten a few questions on how to use these. I actually don't know, I've never used it, so if you know, please comment below. They've also got the candy cane wire forms out. And down here they've started to put out some ribbon, so the glitter and the mesh are out. And you guys, they have some mesh in buffalo plaid in the black and white and red and black for Christmas. These are going to be very popular. Up here they have some lights they're starting to put out, and then their little light up characters in LED. So now let's head over to the Halloween decor. They have some really cute tabletop signs. I'm going to show you guys 3 different ones. I love that little pumpkin. Down here they have some skull mug, sort of mason jar style candles, and then a few more signs. I also have 3 boxed signs. This one in Beware of the Wicked Witch, Trick or Treat, and then the Eat, Drink, and Be Scary. They also have some votive holders of skulls with some gold spiders in pink and black. Down below they have a few glasses. This one's really cute, Fang-tastic. They also have one in a witch's hat, and then these 2 smaller Halloween signs in Trick or Treat and Happy Halloween. This is a cute little light up LED sign in Wicked, and lots of mini pumpkin candles in white, orange, teal, and silver. Down below they have some really pretty votive holders in black and orange, and the glass pumpkins are back. They've put out all kinds of trick-or-treat bags. I sure hope the kids get to use them this year. Down below they have a lot of the trick-or-treat buckets. But I want to show you guys the signs because they are killing it this year. Over here they do have a couple of new banner signs. This one in trick-or-treat. They also have it in green. Come in for a spell or two. Down below they have the little cauldrons and jack-o'-lanterns in orange and green this year. That's pretty cool. Some of the signs that we've seen in the years past, but there are a few new ones. So I don't remember seeing this one last year with the witch's legs, If You Dare. also comes over here in the orange. I know I've seen this one here before, but there's one behind it I'm going to get to. So I don't remember this one from last year in the green. A little bit of glitter on that one. And then these two, I think they came out last year. I don't remember seeing them. It's in two versions, the more colorful orange one over here, and then the more neutral one over here. Down here, they have the come in for a spell sign. And I think this one came out last year. It might even be in my decor boxes. This is so cute. Oh, the back of the truck. And for just $1, you really can't beat it. Next to that one is another new one this year. It's got the witch's hat in glitter. And then there's two hanging pieces, Welcome My Pretties. And this one is new this year in all of the potion bottles in Welcome. Now we'll take a look at some of their crafty and novelty items, but I want to show you guys the end cap because they've got sets of bags that are so cute. So the printed one does come with the jack-o'-lantern, and then they do have the 2-pack of orange and black. So it looks like it also comes in a 2-pack in the ghost. Now we'll look at all of the things they've got up here. It looks like there's some ribbon. So I don't remember what we saw the last time we were in, but I do think this one in the black jack-o'-lanterns is so pretty. I also really like that harlequin in the back. Now above they have all of their novelty items, syringes and eyeballs, some party favors. They also have some felt banners that are really cute. The skeleton, the ghost, and down here in orange, Happy Halloween with the cats. They brought back their little trick-or-treat boxes. They have ribbon handles in the jack-o'-lantern, mummy, and Frankenstein. They do all stack inside of each other and come in 4 different sizes. They also are putting out these boxes that all have lids and also come in 4 different sizes. So these two are their Halloween prints. Love the candy corn on this one. Also comes in the black pumpkin and says Happy Halloween, and a fall version with a green lid. They're also putting out these small burlap characters in the witch, cat, the little burlap ghost, and the jack-o'-lantern. Up here they have some plastic buckets in different colors, a trick-or-treat on the orange, and they have the Happy Haunting on black, and Come In for a Spell on the purple. And then they have some treat boxes like they do during the holidays. These are pumpkins and then a graveyard scene on black. They also brought back their kitty bowls for candy. And then here's a better look at the children's buckets. They come in orange, black, and purple. They're also putting out some really cute metal buckets. I really like these this year. This one I think is so cute. It also comes in a fall version, sort of a minty green, and the black, and a new candy bowl. So this one is Happy Halloween in orange. Really good size with a couple of little skeletons. They wrapped it in plastic, which is nice because that won't get scratched before you get it home. They have all kinds of acrylic drinkware, the fluted stems in gray, purple, and orange. They have the smaller glasses, a few skull sipper cups, and then down here more stemware, same colors, just different shapes and sizes. I also have some shot glasses this year, and they do come in black, orange, and purple. So I think these are new this year. I don't remember seeing them in the years past. They almost look like little cauldrons. They come in the purple, the black in Happy Halloween, and in the orange Trick or Treat. On this end cap they have all of their party wear, some tablecloths, and then their witch's boot banners. So it looks like there are 2 versions. There's this one and then this one. I remember seeing both of them in the last few years. Below that they have the children's sippy cups in Frankenstein, the skeleton, pumpkin, and over here in Dracula. And then below they have some really cute napkins in the witch. They have the pumpkin on purple, and below they have all of the matching plates. This one is so cute. The party items also come in this print with the haunted house in black.
Trick or treat, smell my feet, give me something good to eat. Trick or Put some other different twine around that though. Wouldn't it?
Black.
Okay. Not bad. It's like a $12 craft.
Brown. Half one like that.
So I hope you guys enjoyed coming with me to Dollar Tree to see what they're putting out for Halloween and apparently Christmas. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.